So this video is for anyone that's got problems with the Dewalt 745 table store. Stop start problems. Looks like it's a switch problem, but we'll see. So we've got a live and a neutral feed to the top of the switch, and that looks like the supply side, and the load side is on the bottom of the switch. Just mark them up so you know what's going where. Sorry, 13 and 23 are the supply, 14 and 24 are the load. Now the genuine Dewalt switch is £55, and to be honest I'm not spending that when I wasn't convinced it is the switch. So I bought a cheap one off eBay, which is safe, but it was like £10. There's the actual Dewalt switch, £54. So there's a replacement off eBay. Still got 4 terminals. And it's still an electromagnetic switch, so there's a little coil in there. It's supposed to keep it on when it's switched on. The only difference is the terminals are hidden. On the Dewalt switch they're exposed. So I'll just rig some jumper cables up to connect it up, so it's still, the wiring's still the original wiring. Just some simple jump connections, crimped on spade connections. So make sure you get your wires the correct way round. You can see there. Supply and load. just try it first and we put it back. Sorted. Let's get the screws back in. The only thing we'll need to do, because it's not a standard Dewalt switch, I need to open up this with a file to make it fit. It is a little bit wider. That's it. So as long as you remember when you fit this new switch, when it's switched on, 13 switches to 14 and 23 switches to 24. Okay, supply, load, that's simple. So with your replacement switch, as long as it's configured the same, so just for curiosity, I've stripped this electromagnetic NVR switch down off the Dewalt 745 table saw. This is a UK saw, 240 volt. Just for curiosity really, just to see if the coil has failed on it. So I'm just going to do a simple resistance check, and sure enough, this coil is well and truly dead. Not getting anything. It's just open circuit. Yeah. So it was a coil that had failed. These Dewalt table saws, there's loads of stuff on the internet about, oh, it can't be plugged into an extension lead, and people have written stuff up like I've changed the thermal overload switch and the printed circuit board, and I've replaced the switch, and the switch is still not latching. But that's not the case. That's not what I found anyway. It's just a straightforward switch change. Thanks.